What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. I wanted to give an update about my Galaxy Z Trifold, and it's been about over a week at this point since I've submitted it to Samsung, and then they came back to me and said, hey, you owe $1,500. That's after taxes. I did a video on this. It's super expensive. My display has a dent in it. It works perfectly fine though, and I don't think it would have caused any issues, and I probably could have used it to the end of time until like everything dies on it before that dent actually did anything at all in terms of messing up the experience. It's more aesthetics more than anything, but I'm thinking since I have a third-party insurance plan that I'll submit it to Samsung and get it fixed. But if you bought a Galaxy Z Trifold, one of the cool things about it is they don't offer a insurance plan. I don't mean that's cool, but what the cool part is they do offer you a one-time discounted screen repair. Within 1 year of the date of a qualifying purchase, Samsung will provide one repair of the interior folding screen, which is my problem, of the Trifold, in return for payment of the offer price. To obtain the repair at the offer price, you must submit your request. If you read all this stuff, I already did all of that. Just as they did, they have all my information. I did it right through the website. I bought it directly through Samsung.com. And I didn't even really think about it until after I had paid for the $1,500. So I got charged like basically $1,500 after tax. I paid it. And I thought about it afterwards. I even talked about it in my video earlier. I was like, it's kind of weird. They didn't offer me a discounted rate on the device to get it fixed. And today I'm like, I'm going to call in, see what's going on about that. So I called in. I must have spoke to 5 or 6 different departments, got transferred blindly all throughout their company. Well, probably half the calls were transferred blindly. I'd get to one person who either transferred me in the perfect place, they said they did, or blindly. And again, every single person was saying, oh, this isn't us. You're the wrong department. It's this. I asked for Samsung Care. I got the regular general service. I got the sales. I got like every department. And none of them literally could help me. And the last one was Samsung Care. And barely anyone even knew about this thing that Samsung gives you when you buy the Trifold, that being the eligible one-time discounted screen repair. Like literally nobody knew about it. I said, it's literally on your website. It was literally on the sales page when I bought it. And literally no one knows about it. And when I'd explain it to them, like, oh, okay, makes sense. Yep, okay. But I'd say, they're like, but it's not my department. Okay. Ended up literally, the end of the story is I didn't get any help. Literally the last person that I spoke to was like, yeah, you paid for it. And I can, since we haven't fixed it, that's the other part of it, still not fixed. And they've had my money for almost a week. They said the repair takes 5 to 7 business days, which it hasn't been just yet since they said they were going to fix it because I paid for that. But basically they said, I can refund you the $1,500 and then you can just wait. I'm like, wait for what? And like, they're like, I don't know. I was like, well, who do I talk to get this rectified? And nobody knows. Literally nobody. I asked all those people I talked to, who can make this happen so that my repair is half the price of what it should be. Nobody helps. It was literally one of the most frustrating experiences I've had with a customer service, when you expect something that you purchase, especially something so expensive, and nobody in the company knows anything about it. And it's already super expensive to get fixed. And even if you cut it in half, it's still really expensive. It's like I could buy a Galaxy S26 almost for that same price if you cut the price in half. And the moral of the story is, I'm glad I got my insurance plan, but if they don't end up covering it, which they said they would, but if they don't, because of something missing that I give them or whatever reason, I'm out $1,500 instead of maybe being out $700. So we'll see how things go. At this point in time though, since they're not making this phone anymore, I kind of think, and I could be wrong, I kind of think that I probably won't get this phone back. I kind of think they're just going to end up refunding me. And the reason I think that is because this repair is taking a lot longer than it would any other device that I would have sent them in. When I've ever had to deal with Samsung, with anybody's phones or my phone and something being fixed or replaced, it generally happens really, really quick. I had a curved monitor that died on me, and that took like 2 or 3 weeks for them to come back to me and say, hey, we're just going to refund you. And they ended up cutting me a check for the cost of the item. I really think, and again, like I said, things could change, but I really think that what's going to happen is I'm going to get a text, call, or email saying, hey, unfortunately, we can't fix it. We can return your phone or we can refund you. And that's my guess. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days. But if I don't hear back from them by Friday, or at least definitely Monday of this coming week, by the time I'm recording this video, I will reach out to them and say, what is going on? It's been over 7 days since I've paid this amount of money to you guys. And we'll see what's going on. But yeah, just an overall really not great experience. I love Samsung's products, but customer service could always be improved with them and a lot of other companies as well. It was super frustrating. And if I didn't have insurance, I'd be even more pissed off about this. I'm already pissed off, but I'd be even more pissed off. So hopefully everything will turn around and go my way, but I'll let you guys know. But until then, it's not looking too good for me. So let me know your thoughts. If you've dealt with this before, if you've had issues with the one-time screen repair discount, let me know. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road.